this main body, and the magenta one are crocheted the same way. After this one is done, let's assemble it. First, take out the ears. Find their corresponding positions, then sew them on like this. Just sew a few stitches roughly. After sewing them on, take the remaining yarn tails and threaded it inside to the same spot. Then tie a knot over there. Hide it inside. Then take the other ear. Find the same orientation and place it on the same row here. After attaching them, take out this round ball. The bottom of this is not sewn shut. You don't need to sew this part. And this leaf. This is the bottom. This is the top. First, thread the needle through the exact center of the leaf. From the center of this leaf, bring it over here. After pulling it through, this apple. You can sew it a few more times. If you think once is enough, that's fine too. Then go back to the very bottom. Then place it at the center here. The center point is around this round, sew it onto the top part. Make sure the position is right. Then sew stitches by stitches like this. After sewing, thread the red yarn into the main body. As for the leaf, you can also sew it on like this to secure it in place. For me here, I prefer it to be movable like this. Earlier, the yarn came out from here. Insert the needle into the stitch next to it, then come out from here again. Tie off this loop. Insert the needle. Pull it out through this yarn. This creates a knot. Hide this join inside the bottom. Hold it down and pull tight. This forms a knot. Then, from this same stitches where you just tied the knots, weave into any other stitches. Pull tight to hide it inside. Woven in the end a few more times. Then cut. Now sew the mouth. First, find the center of the apple along this line from the bottom like this. Leave a bit of yarn tail here. After finding this center, extend 2 stitches to each side. Then sew back over. It should look like this. Again, from the center, there are 2 stitches below like this. First, carry the yarn over to this side. This forms a mouth. For the eyes, they go just a little above the ears. Decide on the length here, approximately 1, 2, 3, 4. Then extend over to this side. About this length, then continue extending over. Also roughly the same position above the other ear. And for stitches long, go back to the stitch where you left the yarn tail. Then tie a knot. Take another piece of black yarn. Sew 4 stitches at the bottom. First, go through any spot from the side, leaving a bit of yarn tail, also centered on this. The mouth is the center. This is the center. So 2 stitches on this side, 2 stitches on that side. Here is the center. Just like this. Then go back to where the yarn tail is. It should look roughly like this. Tie a knot here. And the capybara is done. If you have this brownish blush, you can add some color. Apply it at the mouth area. Here, draw a circle around the mouth. And below this, make it slightly larger. And it's finished!